beautiful elevator today on the 7th of September 2023. Here we have Väinämöisenkatu, Väinämöisenkatu 11 staircase speed, and we can go to the staircase soon as well. Here in the healthcare sports course in Finland. Very beautiful Stigler elevator. It was built in 1932, modernized by Kone with the only upgrading fixtures in 1998. And it stays 3 persons to 2 bedrooms. As these glazed in the doors, could have been the gate.
Yeah.
Still beautiful. Stigler, or yeah, 33514. So 19 years old in 2022, and Motivation is turning 25 years old this year in 2023. We will be expecting the next year, 2024. Could have had this pattern.
Yeah.
The canvas, very beautiful. But the best buttons would have been Stigler's original.
Yeah.
Or if they would have preserved them.
Yeah. Teet paikki väistyttää, me teet paikki Kone.
Yeah. I like the vibrations and the sounds and the smell in here.
The same.
And this machine sounds a bit unusual.
Yeah.
That's it, thank you very much.
That's it.